Question 13. Solve each of the following equations. Part A. This is an equation that has x on both sides. Okay, so there's a couple of steps we have to do here. First one, you want the bigger x on the left. Okay, so we've got a 7x and a 2x. Which one's bigger? 7x, obviously. So that is on the left, so we've done that. The next thing, we want all the letters on the left and all the numbers on the right. Okay, so to bring the letters over to the left, I need to bring this 2x over here. Okay, so the 7x was already there. I can't have any numbers on the left. I'm just bringing the 2x over. So same rules apply here. Change side. Change sign. So that 2x there, there's no sign in front of it, so that must mean it's a positive 2x. So if it's a positive 2x over here, when I bring it over to the opposite side, I do the opposite thing. So if it's a positive 2x, it becomes a negative 2x. So now I've done the letters on the left. Now I have to make sure my numbers are on the right of the equal sign. So we have plus 11 on the right hand side. That was there first. Don't steal its seat. So I bring that down. Now this minus 4 was on the left. I needed all the numbers on the right. So I'm going to bring this over. So I have my numbers on the right. Same rules apply here. Change side, change sign. Well, it was a take away 4 over here. If I bring it to the opposite side, I do the opposite thing. So the take away 4 becomes a plus 4. Now I have, it looks a little bit easier now, 7x, take away 2x. Where people make the most mistakes in this question, they forget to change side, change sign. So remember it should be plus 4 and minus 2x. So 7x now take away 2x, 7 take away 2 is 5x. And on this side I have 11 add 4, and that gives me 15. So now it's just like a normal equation. I want the letter on its own to be able to work out what it is. 15 was already there, don't steal its seat. So when I get rid of this 5, I need to bring it over to the opposite side. I change side, change sign. So it's timesing over here. So when it goes to the other side, it needs to be dividing. So 15 divided by 5, x equals 3. So this is a 3-mark question. You get 1 mark if you've got the letters on the left and the numbers on the right. So if you've completed this line correctly, you'll get 1 mark. Take away 2x plus 4. If you've then worked out 5x equals 15, that will give you the 2nd mark. And then finally completing the equation correctly to work out x equals 3 will give you the 3rd mark. So this mark here is crucial. You have to make sure the letters are on the left, the numbers are on the right. And when you change side, you must change sign. 2x comes over to be a minus 2x. Minus 4 goes over to be a plus 4. Part B. This is a normal equation, but this has brackets in it now. So we need to get rid of the brackets first to be able to answer the equation. So to expand the brackets, the rule is you have to times everything on the inside by what's on the outside. So I'm going to be doing 3 times 2x first, and that'll give me 3 times 2 is 6x. Then I have to times the plus 7. So 3 times 7 is 21. and that's obviously a positive 21 there. And then my equals 9, just bring that down. So 6x plus 21 equals 9. Normal two-step equation now. This plus 21 is in my way. I need to get the letter on its own. So I'm going to bring it to the other side. The 9 was there first. Don't steal its seat. That would be rude. Plus 21. Bring it over here. Change side, change sign. So the 21 becomes a minus 21. So now 6x equals 9 take away 21. I could do my number line to show where that takes you on the negative scale, but that's quite a lot to take away 21. So a little trick here, because we're taking away more than 9, we know that it's a minus number. And then I'm just going to find the difference between these two numbers. So what have I got to do to get from 9 to 21? I've got to add on 12. The difference is 12. So that takes me to minus 12. So I know that 6x equals minus 12. Letter's not yet on its own. Get rid of this 6. Minus 12 was there first. Don't be rude and steal its seat. Bring it down. 6, change side, change sign. It was a multiply over here. So when I come to the opposite side, I'm going to do the opposite thing. So instead of timesing by 6, I'm going to divide by 6. So now using the rule of negative numbers, I've got a minus number divided by a positive number. So my answer, use the rules of As and Sid, add same signs, subtract if different. These two signs are different, so my answer is going to be a minus answer. 12 divided by 6 is 2. X equals minus 2. So here, again, it's a 3-mark question. You'll get 1 mark if you've said 6x plus 21 equals 9. So that's saying that you've expanded the back brackets correctly, times everything on the inside by what's on the outside. You'll then get 1 mark if you've calculated 9 take away 21 correctly. So 6x equals minus 12. And then the final mark for completing the equation correctly by saying x equals minus 2.